Rustic Rose, seasonal home decor, spring, summer, winter, fall. Rustic Rose.
Hi friends, it's me Rose and welcome back to my channel, The Rustic Rose. Anywho friends, I wanted to come on here real quick because I wanted to show you what I just recently picked up, and I know that we're all working on Valentine's Day and Easter and spring and all the above, which is all good because, you know, we got to get ready for it. But anyway, I wanted to show you what I picked up. So if you're ready, here we go. I picked this up at the store and it's called Easter Decoration Kit. And it comes with everything you need to make this little guy right here, this cute little chick with the little ears. Anyway, I wanted to show you what I did with it. So if you want to pick this up, you can go out there and find it and you can make it yourself. So if you're ready, here we go. This is what I made. Isn't he cute? He turned out so cute, friends. I'll show you the back. Anyway, let me talk you through what I did. So I'm gonna get him in close so you can kind of see. What I did was I just got some apple barrel orange paint and I dry brushed him all the way around. Okay, just went all the way around, dry brushed him. And then it even comes with this cute little banner. And all I did was add a little bit of twine to it, added some bows, as you can see on the side, so that I can connect them and glue them on. And then I picked up some more felt so that I can trace out a second part of him to add to the back, and I just barely stuffed him with a little bit of batting. So friends, if you want, you can make him into a pillow and use him as decor, or I added this little stick so that he could be a little Easter prop. So if you guys are gonna take a family picture, or you want the kiddos to have, you know, with their cousins and relatives and have them hold this, isn't it a cute little prop? Anywho, the only other thing I did was it came with a very small little nose. So what I did was I had some extra felt and I just cut out a little triangle and I added the nose, and it does come with these little eyes. But as you can see, I drew my own little eyes, and what I did was I just used a pencil, drew it on first, then I went in with a little fine Sharpie and went around it. And then once that was done, I just got some black apple barrel paint and went right in his eyes and painted them up. And friends, that's all I did. I added a little bit of white to add some little dimension on it, but isn't he cute? I had to come on here and show him to you because I thought this little chick was so cute. Anywho, friends, so if you can, get out there and don't forget to pick up this little packet. And I believe there's also a bunny and something else. I can't remember what it is. But friends, you can get this and turn it into this guy. Anywho, friends, I hope that I've inspired you to go out there and pick this up. And friends, until we see each other again, let's keep up the crafting for spring. And until we see each other again, don't forget to sprinkle me out and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And until we see each other again, bye-bye.
Rustic Rose, seasonal home